Happy birthday, Gabby. Oh my gosh, girl. I'm so glad that I can spend this day saying happy birthday in Twitter, Facebook. You need to get an Instagram, so I would have said happy birthday on Instagram. But I'm so glad that I can be part of your life on this special day. I wish you the best, and I hope God keeps giving you many more years to come for us to spend it together. And thanks for your friendship. Thanks for everything. You're such an amazing person. Thanks for the video you did for my birthday too. And I give you a big bear hug just like you sent me. And I just want to wish you a very happy birthday. And I said I was going to make this day memorable. So here's one of many things that I would like to give you in this video. So happy birthday, and I hope to see you soon. Hope you have an amazing holidays. You're such an amazing person. Never change. Keep up the good dancing skills. You say Mayra, you're her choreographer, so it's awesome. But I don't know. I just want to wish you a happy birthday and muchos besitos. Bye.